Dear students, good afternoon to everyone. Today I am going to discuss about ninth standard in botany, unit 18, organization of plants. So first of all, I discuss about introduction. In these chapters, including form of only what is cell, what is tissue, what is organ, what is meristem, then types of meristems, permanent tissues. In this chapters, learn about cell, what is the function of cell, what is the structure of cells. In this chapters, learn about what is tissue, what is the function of tissues. In this chapters, learn about what is organ, what is the function of organ, what is meristems, types of meristems, and permanent tissue. The first cell. The cell is a basic structural and functional unit of all living organism. Cell is a basic structural and functional unit of all living organism. What is a cell? Cell is a basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. For example, in plant cells, plant kinds of organism. Every organism made up of cell. Every organism is made up of cell. Cell is a basic structural and functional unit of all living organism. First of cell. Now what is a tissue? In this tissue, it involves the mitotic cell divisions. In this tissue, it involves only mitotic cell division to form up only in group of cells in similar structure and functionals. That is called tissue. These cells can able to divided to form up only tissue. A group of tissue unorganized mass of cell, that is called tissue. This tissue it involves only similar structure and similar function. So group of cell to form up only tissue. Next one is organ. So organ is a group of tissue system that is called the organ. So for example, in plant body there are the two types of organs. That's a vegetative parts of plant body and reproductive parts of plant body. Vegetative parts of plant body and reproductive parts of plant body. The vegetative parts of plant body, that is called root, stem and leaf. It's a reproductive parts of the plant body: seed, inflorescence and flower. The reproductive parts of the plant body are involved with seed, inflorescence and flowers. Let's say reproductive parts of the plant body. So tissue become developed into organs. Organs, the various types of organs are found in plant body. Let's say two types of plant body. Vegetative, one is vegetative plant body, another is reproductive parts of plant body. The vegetative parts of plant body such as root system, stem system and leaf system. The reproductive parts of plant body: seed, inflorescence and flower. Next one is meristems. So meristem means meristose. Meristem means meristose. So meristose means divisible. It's derived from in Greek words. So meristem means meristose. So meristose means divisibles can able to cell divided occurs to form up only new or cells. These form up only old parental cells can able to divided to form up only in new cells. One cells become to form only two cells. and again these cells are can able to divide it. The two cells are formed only in four cells. It's a meristome means can able to divide it. It occurs to form only one cells to form two cells form four cells to form only, and multiplication process to form only in meristematic cells. The cell organizations. In organism, it may be presence of cell based on the conditions. There are two types of organism. So one is unicellular organism and second is multicellular organism. First one is unicellular organism, the second is multicellular organisms. So uni refers to form only single. So having this organism contains only one cells. This organism contains only one cell. That organism is called a unicellular organism. For examples, bacteria and protozoans. Bacteria, protozoans, amoeba and chlamydomonas, some are example for this only unicellular organism. This unicellular organism perform the functions in single cells. The various type of functions are involved only one cells. So for examples, various types of functions, reproductions, then respirations, then excretions, and some are digestion, movement. All the processes are involved only one cells. Only one cell. Another type, some types of cells, some types of plants are found in only multicellular organisms. So multi means many cells. This organism made up of many cells. That type of organism is also called a multicellular organism. This organism made up of single cell, we can develop into tissue, it develop into the organ we can develop into organ system we can develop into organism to form only level of organizations. Level of organization. So what is the level of organization? Is a single cells. The single cells to become developed into entire organism. In between the form various kinds of levels are involved in that process. The first cell, the cell become developed into tissue. The tissue become developed into tissue systems. The tissue system become developed into organ. The organ become developed into organ system. The organ system become developed into organism. So first one is cell. Cell become developed into tissue. Tissue become developed into tissue system. Tissue system become developed into organ. Organ become developed into organ system. Organ system development form of only in organism. Where cell to form of only entire organism, that process in between to form of only various kinds of processes are involved. Tissue, tissue system, organ and organ system. That process called a level of organization. This level of organization to form of only unicellular organism and only involved only multicellular organism. Multicellular organism. So next one is characters of meristematic tissue. So meristematic tissue, it's a cell can able to divide. To form up only in meristematic characters. This means these cells contains only living cells. This meristematic tissue contains only living cells. The living cells can able to divide it. Next, cytoplasm contains nutritive materials. This region is called cytoplasm. The cytoplasm center contains only large nucleus. The cytoplasm contains only nutritive materials. There are different types of shapes are present only in meristematic tissue. There are round, oval shapes and polygonal shapes and round shapes. There are different types of shapes are found in only meristematic tissue. It involves only oval shapes, then polygonal shapes, and then round shapes. The large central nucleus are present only in dense cytoplasm. Large central nucleus are present only dense in cytoplasm. Vacuoles are either smaller, presence of only in vacuoles, either smaller, some types of absence. Absence or smaller, it's the presence of only in characters of meristematic tissue. So what are the characters of meristematic tissue are involved only in meristematic tissue? The first one is living tissue or living cells. Living cells presence of only in meristematic tissue. Can be able to divide it. Cytoplasm contains nutritive materials. Shape, there are different types of shapes are found in only in meristematic tissue. Oval shape, polygonal shape, and round shape. And large central nucleus are present only dense cytoplasm. And vacuoles are either absent or smaller. That types are only in characters of meristematic tissue. Next one is types of meristematic tissue. On the position, based on the positions. Next one is types of meristem. Based on position. The meristematic cell tissue are found in only based on the position. There are the three types of meristematic tissue. So one is apical meristems, then second one is intercalary meristems, and third one is lateral meristems. So meristematic tissue that is found. So meristematic tissue are found in only in shoot apex and root apex. Maximum found in only root apex. So meristematic tissue are found in only in shoot apex and root apex. Some types of branches, vascular cambium and cambium. Vascular cambium and cambium tissue. Where this presence of meristematic tissue? The meristematic tissue are present only shoot apex, root apex, some types of branches, apex, vascular cambium and cambium tissue. Vascular cambium and cambium tissue. The next one is briefly discuss about only in three types of only in meristematic tissue. The first one is apical meristematic tissue, second one is intercalary meristematic tissue, and the third one is lateral meristematic tissue. In the position based on the meristematic tissue, there are three types of meristematic tissue system. The first one is apical meristematic tissue, the second one is intercalary meristematic tissue, and third one is lateral meristematic tissue. The position on this meristematic tissue system found in only shoot apex. Found in only shoot apex. In shoot apex tissue system, there are three zones in presence of only in apical meristematic tissue. There are the three zones. The presence of only in apical meristematic tissue. The first one is protoderm. The second one is procambium. And third one is ground tissue. Based on the conditions, in position of the meristematic tissue are found in only shoot apex. The first one is apical meristematic zone. The apical meristematic zone, there are three types of zones are found in only in protoderm, procambium, and ground tissue. In cross section of in only shoot systems, in outer region that is called epidermis. Outer region that is called epidermis. It is made up of single layer parenchymas without intercellular space, compactly tightly arranged. That process it is called epidermis. This epidermis to form up only in protoderm. So protoderm gives rise to epidermis. Protoderm gives rise to form only epidermis. It's outer covering of the in shoot system. First, the second is procambium. So procambium gives rise to form up only procambium gives rise to form only in vascular tissue systems. So at the presence of vascular tissue system center, this vascular tissues are derived from form of only in procambium. And third one is ground tissue. Ground tissue. This ground tissue gives rise to form only cortex. So cortex and pith. The cortex and pith found in only in between to form only vascular tissue system and epidermis. This vascular tissue system and epidermis, in between vascular tissue system and epidermis, in between form of only cortical zonal region. This cortex connected to form of only central vascular tissue system and outer epidermal zone. There are three types of apical meristematic zone, or there are three types of apical meristematic zone. The first one is protoderm, second one is procambium, third one is ground tissue. So protoderm gives rise to form only epidermis, it's outer covering of the shoot system. Second is procambium. So procambium gives rise to form only vascular tissue system. The vascular tissue system found in only xylem and phloem elements. Xylem and phloem elements. It is a conduction of the fluid material and conduction of water and mineral substance. And third one is ground tissue system. So ground tissue system in between to form only epidermis and vascular tissue system. This zone that is called ground tissue. So fully homologous made up of parenchymal tissue. Fully made up of fully homologous parenchymal tissues are found in only in cortical zone. There are three types of apical meristematic. It's a very important function. What is the function of apical meristematic zone? The apical meristematic zones are found in only in cell elongations. In shoot system may be elongated. It involves only apical meristematic zone. The second one is intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem. The intercalary meristem found in only nodal regions. It's maximum found in only in grass. In monocot plants found in only nodal regions. Let's say shoot system, so found in only nodal regions. Nodal regions. In between the two nodal regions, that is called a internode. In between the two nodal regions, that is called a internode. This elongation of this shoot system to form up only intercalary meristem. The intercalary meristem found in only in nodal region in grass system. These intercalary meristems are derived from only in apical meristematic zone. These intercalary meristems derived from only in apical meristematic zone. It's found in only in monocot examples grasses. And third one is lateral meristem. The lateral meristem it is divided into form only in anticline and pericline division to form up only in secondary growth. In secondary growth develops from only in dicot stem. There are three types of meristematic tissue based on the position. First one is apical meristematic, second one is intercalary meristem, and third one is lateral meristem. The apical meristematic zones it's found in only root apex, shoot apex, some other branches, procambium and ground tissue system. That's a corcambium and vascular cambium. It is involved only cell elongation of the shoot system. Apical meristematic zone found in only three zones. The first one is protoderm, procambium and ground tissue. Protoderm gives rise to form only epidermis, and procambium gives rise to form only vascular tissue system, and ground tissue gives rise to form only cortex and pith region. Second is intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem derived from only apical meristematic zone. This intercalary meristem found in only in grasses. It's found in only nodal regions. Node and node space are between to form only nodal region. It's a elongation of the in nodal region. It involves only intercalary meristem. The lateral meristem found in only in dicot stem. It involves only secondary growth. So laterally and it increases the girth. and the width of the plant body. The lateral meristem, what is the function of this lateral meristem? The lateral meristem important functions to increase the width of the plant body due to formation of only in secondary growth. This found in only dicot stem. The next one is permanent tissue. So permanent tissue means top of the cell divisions. So continuous state of cell division, that is called meristematic tissue. So do not continue state of division, that is called a permanent tissue. Or either stop of the cell division occurs, that is called a permanent tissue. The stop of the cell division occurs only permanently or temporarily occurs. The type of tissue that is called a permanent tissue. So do not be able to cell division occurs. This process called a permanent tissue. The permanent tissue may be two types. The first one is simple tissue. The second one is complex tissue. The simple tissue is only one type of tissue are found in only one type of tissue found in only in organs. The type of tissue that is called a simple tissue. It involves similar structure and functions. But this complex tissue found in only different types of tissue. Different types of tissue are found in only in complex tissue. It's a different structure but similar functions. Permanent tissue. What is a permanent tissue? Stop of the cell division, that is called a permanent tissue. So cannot able to divide it. That cell is called a permanent cells or permanent tissue. The permanent tissue may be two types. One is simple tissue, another one is complex tissue. So simple tissue means only one type of tissue are found in only in simple tissue. Its important function similar structure and a similar function. But in complex tissue, there are different types of tissue are found in only in complex tissue, but different structure and a similar function that involve only in complex tissue. In simple tissue, maybe there are different types. The first one is parenchyma. The second one is collenchyma. And third one is sclerenchyma. There are three types of tissue system are found in only in simple tissue. First one is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So what is parenchyma? This parenchyma found in only all organ of the plant body. Found in the root system, stem system and the leaf system. Root, stem and leaf. These parenchyma cells precursors of all the types of tissue, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. So parenchyma, it's a round shape, oval shape, polygonal shapes and hexagonal shapes. Hexagonal shape. There are different types of shapes are found. This parenchyma found in made up of cell wall. It's a cellulosic substances. It's made up of cell wall. In this cell wall is made up of cellulosic substances. This dead cytoplasm, septa, nucleus. Cytoplasm contains nutritive materials. Nutritive material. It's a homologous structure found in only in parenchyma tissue. It's a found in only all organ of the plant body. There are different types of parenchyma tissue found in only different types of structures based on the conditions. So found in only organization. The first one is storage parenchyma. Second one is arenchyma. And third one is stellate parenchyma, storage parenchyma, arenchyma, and stellate parenchyma. Storage parenchyma is a food material stored in parenchyma tissue. That type of tissue that is called a storage parenchyma. What's arenchyma? It's found in only hydrophytic plants. It's a hydrophytic plants. It's a air-filled parenchyma. Air-filled parenchyma, that is called a arenchyma. So a lot of air space are found only in arenchyma. What's the function of this arenchyma? So floating of water surface. It's a function of parenchyma, floating of water surface. The next one is stellate parenchyma. Stellate parenchyma, that is star-shaped parenchyma, that is called a stellate parenchyma. Star-shaped parenchyma, that is called a stellate parenchyma. It's found in only in petioles of canna and banana. The petioles of canna and banana. It's found in only in star-shaped parenchyma. It's a mechanical support in leaf pods. It involves only stellate parenchyma. The next one is polycete parenchyma. These parenchyma cells are vertically elongated cells found in only presence of only chlorophyll pigment. That cell is called chlorenchyma. chyma. It's a vertical and elongated cells are found in only in polycyte parenchyma. This polycyte parenchyma presence of only chlorophyll pigment, the type of cell that is called chloroenchyma tissue. This chloroenchyma tissue presence of only green pigments. It involves the function perform to the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Next one is collenchyma. This collenchyma found in only in dicot stem. Its absence only root. It also presents petiole and pedicel. So petiole and pedicel. It's also living tissue. It's also living cell. So made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectins. There are based on the condition, the thickening of the cell wall. There are three types of collenchyma. So one is lamellar collenchyma. The second one is angular collenchyma, and third one is lacunate collenchyma. There are three types of collenchyma found in only in collenchyma tissue system. The first one is lamellar collenchyma, second one is angular collenchyma, and third one is lacunar collenchyma. It's a deposition of the only in cell wall in pectin substances based on the condition. The lamellar collenchyma, it's a lamellar thickening only. This type of cells are only the only radial wall thin and tangents are radial wall thick and the tangents are thin. The tangents walls only thin in nature and the radial wall only in thick in nature. This type of tissue system are raised only in lamellar collenchyma. Lamellar in collenchyma. It's found in only in sunflowers or oleanders. The second one is angular collenchyma. So angular only thickening of the substances. Angular only. The angular collenchyma, this type of tissue systems. Angular only thickening or angular only deposition of only cellulosic substances or hemicellulosic substances. Hemicellulosic substances, the thickening of the substances are found in only angles. The type of collenchyma that is called angular collenchyma. This angular collenchyma found in only in Datura and Nicotina. And third one is lacunate collenchyma. The intercellular space are only thickening. This lacunate collenchyma, intercellular space is thickening. These are types of collenchyma system. This collenchyma system, intracellular space are only thickening. These thickening substances are found in only pectin cell. This in between two cells found in only intercellular space. These intracellular space are made up of only hemicellulosic substances. The type of collenchyma is also called lacunate collenchyma. The lacunate collenchyma found in only in hypomia. There are three types of tissue system, three types of collenchyma tissue. One is lamellar collenchyma, second is angular collenchyma, and third one is lacunate collenchyma. So what is the characters of this collenchyma? So collenchyma is one of this living tissue. It is a function mechanical support to the plant body. Mechanical support to the plant body. It's found in only dicot stem. So below the epidermis. So maximum in this type collenchyma tissue system are found in only in epidermal zones. Epidermis. This epidermal tissue system, below the epidermal tissue system, found in only in collenchyma tissue. So few layers arranged only in collenchyma tissue. So beneath the epidermis. So beneath the epidermis is found only in collenchyma in die-cast stem. And also present only PTOs and PTC, so mechanical support the current body. So options only root system. It's kinds of living tissues. So cell wall is made up of cellulosic, hemicellulosic and pectin. The secondary thickening substance is made up of only pectin. At the based on the condition, there are three types of only colon chemical system: laminar colon chemical, angular colon chemical, and lacunar colon. So laminar colon chemical, say radial wall thin and tangents walls only in thick in nature. Angular colon chemical, so angles are only thick in nature. Lacunar colon chemical, only intercellular space are only in thick in nature. And next is sclerenchyma. So sclerenchyma is a dead tissue. It's a protoplasm. So protoplasm natures are found in only in sclerenchyma tissue. The sclerenchyma tissues may be two types. One is scleroids. So another one is fibers. One is scleroids, another one is fibers. So scleroids only in based on conditions oval shape, and fibers only elongated. The figures are only elongated. So pointed end are present only in fibers. The secondary thickening substance are made up of only in suberin. The secondary thickening substance is made up of only in suberin. It's also dead tissue. Okay. The scale can may be two types: scleroids and fibers. Now I am pleased only in simple tissue system. I am going to take about only in the next class in complex tissue systems. Complex tissue. There are what are the types? What is complex tissue? So how many types of the complex tissue are found in only? We will discuss about only in next class. Okay, thank you.